You've set the date, now to organise the invitations. If it's something truly special that you're after, you need to speak to the girls at LaLa Design. They specialise in handcrafted wedding and event stationery for all celebrations. The LaLa girls are known for providing amazing customer service and a high-quality product. Whether you're planning a wedding, a kids' party, kitchen tea, or any other special event, the creative and friendly LaLa girls are ready with helpful advice, inspiration, and an amazing array of products. In addition to LaLa Design's wide array of beautiful items, they offer a full graphic design service, luscious specialty finishes like letterpress, foiling, white ink printing, as well as their exceptional handcrafted work. LaLa Design offers a number of service packages to ensure that the process of creating your event stationery is fun and creative, and that you finish up with a product that you're completely in love with, and that is within your budget. The Pink Shop is always chock-a-block full of pretty papers, assorted envelopes, ribbons, gift wrap, party wares and decorations. Pop into the Pink Shop, no appointments needed. Shop online or call LaLa Design today.